Hi, this is Nina at ForeignMRE.com, and sorry guys, I don't have a prize to give away today. Jason Brown from Pennsylvania, and might I add, a first-time customer at ForeignMRE.com, who is a very good sport, placed an order for several things. And while Art was gathering his order, he inadvertently placed the prize ration inside of Jason's ration, and the prize is off to Pennsylvania. So Jason, thank you for notifying us 3 days ago that you actually have our prize ration. Art and I would have probably been going crazy looking for the ration. Anyway, Renee, he would wear the bag of shame now, but oh, how convenient that he is at work. So Jason, again, thank you for being a good sport. We appreciate you letting us know, and please, if you decide to order from us again, let us know before you place your order so we can hook you up. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to give away a brand new unopened APH ration instead of the contest one. So without further ado, let's get to the contest. We uploaded a video on March 17th, and it was a what's inside of an APH ration, and we are ready to pick ourselves a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. It's been a while since we've had a contest. Oh my goodness, look whose name just popped up. If it isn't John Magnum. Multi-Magnum 62. Nice of you two to do this again, Art and Nina. Well done, friends. Great shout out to Renee. Thank you, friends. This looks to be a very good meal. Early congratulations to the winner. All who subscribe to are deserving. Great people here, as you both know well. Peace, John. Well, John, you are congratulating yourself because you are the winner. Yay! You get the bell! You get some confetti! John Magnum! There you go, there's your confetti. Congratulations, John Magnum. Multi-Magnum 62. Well, John, you've done this before, so you know the drill. Just leave us an email letting us know that you saw your name being picked as the winner, and we will get your ration out to you right away. So congratulations, Multi-Magnum 62, and thanks to everyone for participating in the contest, and we promise to get back on our contest schedule very soon.